Today we have a quick how to install a off-roading noob shovel mount. As you can see, this is my shovel mount, and previously I had it on with straps, but I have changed it now to cable ties as it was a little bit more cost effective, and also I feel that the cable ties keep the shovel and the fire extinguisher both in place very well, as you can pull them a lot tighter than a velcro strap or different straps that you put on there. So it's very simple. The shovel mount has two holes through it where you can put your cable ties through, and you just pull it tight onto your roll bar, and that is not going anywhere. I just adjusted them so that they would look a little bit nicer, and then I cut them afterwards. And there, as you can see, my shovel is in place. It's out of the way, and it actually goes into a piece of dead space that I had in my Jeep.